Welcome. Now let's try to understand how will our test execute, which annotation should be used. So it's pretty straightforward. Any method that we want to run as a test method must be void type. It should not return anything. And next thing is that method should be annotated with at the rate test. And these annotations are coming from again JUnit 5. So we are going to look at later the documentation of it. And of course, we are going to do lots of hands-on to understand this concept properly. So at the rate test is the annotation which we have to put so that our test executes. So if we go to our example, this is test 1, this is test 2, this is test 3. If I have to run this test, I have to annotate it with at the rate test. Similarly for this and this. So at the rate test helps to run our unit test. Thank you. Let's see continue in the next video.